2018 was unreal. In 2018, my wife and I went job hunting, applied and interviewed with a handful of schools, and got positions at a school that was at the top of our list, Singapore American School. In 2018, I was asked by a publishing company to write a book, wrote it in 5 months, and got it published in July. In 2018, I was flown into Atlanta, Georgia, where I got to present a keynote at a STEM conference. In 2018, I got to present at 6 different education conferences. I was also invited to a school to consult them with starting a STEM program. And finally, I reached 10,000 subscribers for my YouTube channel. So why am I telling you all this? Well, when I said 2018 was unreal, it's because if you told me when I was in high school or in college or in my early 20s, you told me that I would do all these things, I would have told you you're crazy. Because I grew up with a fixed mindset. I thought I was born with a certain amount of ability and talent that was fixed and could not be changed. First of all, in my mind, moving out of the country, even out of the state of California, wasn't in my radar. I'm from Southern California, and it took me until I was 24 to actually go see San Francisco. And writing a book, writing was one of my worst subjects in high school and in college. No matter how hard I tried, I kept getting C's on all my papers. So I just ended up thinking, okay, I'm not a good writer. I don't have the talent for it. Texting, messaging, even emailing takes me forever to compose. I tell people this all the time. I had trouble looking at people in the eye because I was so shy. I had no confidence at all in my ability to conversate with someone, let alone speak in front of a whole bunch of people. 2018 was a culmination of years of failure and learning. I cringe thinking about the first sessions I presented at education conferences. I don't even watch my old YouTube videos because when I did watch one a while ago, I couldn't handle it. It was so bad. So here are some of the things that I've learned over the years. I learned to view challenges as opportunities, be okay with me not being perfect, acknowledge what I need to work on, focus on the process of improving and not the final product, and finally do work that is meaningful to me. For me, that was student empowerment, and to share what I've learned over the years with educators. So if you are a young viewer out there, I just want to say that everyone starts somewhere. I started to teach and create content not as a person who had natural talents or was really gifted, but by doing, by learning, by improving and trying my best. Your skills and potential are not fixed. I would like to thank the following people for making all of these things in 2018 possible. Thank you to all of you.